Namaste. So today we are here at Chittaranjan Park and we have come to see all the murtis being prepared for Durga Ma, and you can see the molds of mud and grass and multiple shapes of the murtis being taken at the moment. So let's just go and see what all we can explore and ask the artisans if they can speak to us about what they are up to for the iconic Durga Puja at Chittaranjan Park in New Delhi. So you can see that the Durga idols are taking shape gradually. This is the most iconic one I can spot over here with Mahishasur, then the lion, and then the Durga Ma taking the shape. Eventually they will be painted, and once they're into the full garb, it's difficult to identify that they were as raw as they could be at the moment. And you can see actually the transition in the stages, like this is the raw one, and over there you can see the painting being done, and they are just not allowing us actually to step into, but they are also valid because these are raw, mud built and clay ridden kind of idols, then we might be just trampling and breaking them. So respecting the artisans, we're just shooting over here and just seeing that what this idol looks like days before the festival. So yeah, you can see the cracks in the lion and see that how even the monsoons are disturbing the gradual flow of the artisans. And let me just see if we can just look around how the actual atelier of these artisans and the workshop really looks like. So it's quite ironic. So last year when I went to Chittaranjan Park, I could see the pandals all decked up and Durga Ma in all the more colorful attires, and once the pandals are there, you can't even imagine that these idols were as raw as this could be. So this is the pandal of CR Park in building, and we'll come here again during the Durga Puja when it's all decked up. So see you on the day.